how the new app would work. Nimzoft GI endoscopy tool. It's got a very secure uh, login. If, for example, somebody wants a customized one, when they supply what we should include as the usernames and passwords, we would do this for them. Here, I'm going to use the test username and the password there. Then you can log in there. Okay. Then it gives two accesses there, depending on what procedure you want to undertake. Let's go for an OpenGI kind of, and here this is where all the entries will be, and the important changes here is the fact that there are quite a number of indications rather, and here when you fail to intubate, it would automatically tell you that you cannot enter any information here. It will close all of it, and it gives you an access to saying the reason why it was limited. If you've intubate to the esophagus, it gives you access to write whatever findings there were when you went into the esophagus. And if you complete it down to the duodenum, which is the ultimate site, then you have access to writing all the findings, including normal appearances, and so on. Opportunity to add image as well, depending on where you put the images, and you could add them and save them there. Okay. When you've entered everything, it would actually appear as one of the entries in this part with a number. And in order to access that information, you can actually go on to, let's select number 3, for example, and you put 3 there, which you can delete or you view and print. Here, you can see that that name was classically what was found, and then you can import it into this area by putting preview. And with the preview there, you can actually then click this and it would print to a printer attached to your PC. I think this is quite innovative and helpful. And again, let's imagine that you then want to actually do a colonoscopy. Then this one remains open for you. Go to lower GI, enter all the information. Again, the same thing. If the examination extent was just sigmoid, then it gives you access to findings in those areas you saw. If you went into cecum or terminal ileum, then you have access to indicating everything that was found during the examination. And of course, there will be no limitations. But if you then went into the descending colon, then it gives you access to indicating what were the difficulties encountered. And that's much about it. And again, you've entered your information and you want to actually interrogate it. Let's imagine number 1 is one you want to print. Get over here, it fetches that data for you. You can bring it into this space and then print it. And then it goes to a printer, which you can send to the referring consultant and give a copy to the patient. I hope this is good. If it is, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel for more and collaborations, and send me some kind of information as to whether or not you want this kind of endoscopy reporting system. I have tagged it Nimzoft based on, of course, the name of the person who may have introduced it. Thank you very much, and again, welcome to collaborate with me.